I'm going to explain SEO and websites for home inspectors in two parts, and it will help you save thousands of dollars. Please don't get pressured by any company out there trying to scare you about your inspector website and SEO and social media. I'm going to tell you exactly what a home inspector needs for a successful website, including SEO, ongoing maintenance, ongoing SEO, and social media. Here's what you absolutely do not need. You do not need a $2,000 website. You don't need a $1,000 monthly fee for website maintenance or SEO updates or social media management. It should all be affordable. Having a great website and SEO is just like a house built in two parts. Part one, a custom build designed for you. And part two, a simple, consistent maintenance plan, just like a house, right? So let's go over those two parts. Part one, the initial website building. First, your website must be built correctly from day one. This is the essential one-time investment that puts your inspection company online. And it should cost you only a few $100s, maybe $500, no more than that. Now, next, in part two, we'll talk about ongoing SEO and maintenance. And it ain't what you think. It's not complicated keyword editing of every page, every month, and stuff like that. It's very simple. But we're still in part one. Now, like building a house on a strong foundation, here's what a correct website design has to have. Your website designer needs to embed precise local keywords like certified inspector in Miami or wherever you live into your website's titles, headers, and service pages. And you need a massive amount of essential technical stuff. And it's a boring list. So I'm going to go really fast. A secure domain connection, favicon, fast loading pages, intuitive navigation, responsiveness, page titles and meta descriptions, schema markups, anchor texts, alt text to all of your images, core website vitals, accessibility, mobile friendly, site structure with the right headers, high quality content, content delivery network configuration, multiple scheduling options, effective keywords, search engine indexing, index now AI search connection, external links, reliable hosting, XML site management, custom URL slugs, API integration with inspection software, tracking, connection to Bing Webmaster Tools, Google Analytics, Google Business Profile connection, Google Search Console connection, customer contact management systems, a home inspector blog, social media connections, live chat feature, and real-time analytics. And I can go on and on. By the way, InterNACHI's official vendor for website designs and social media management does all of this for you. That's inspectorwebsitebuilder.com. Go there now. Your website has to be designed to convert visitors into scheduled clients. That's the sole purpose of the website. But it has to do it with a clean layout and clear call to actions on every page that incorporates InterNACHI's website design conversion features and recommendations. Now, once these foundational elements are in place, they don't need to be overhauled every month. The core structure is set. But here comes part two, essential ongoing maintenance, just like a house. And here's what most SEO companies out there obscure with vague promises. Ongoing maintenance is not about mysterious constant tweaks of your website. It's not about editing keywords in your page texts every month. No, no. Online SEO is about demonstrating consistent activity and authority to prove to Google and AI search tools that your business is active and trustworthy. So here's what it means to you. You need the following essential, effective, ongoing activities that include social media posting, including your Google Business Profile updates. Have you posted on there recently? Consistent content creation and new Google reviews. That's it. Those three things you have to do after you build a great website: social media posting, creating content, and Google reviews. Don't pay anyone $1,000 every month to do SEO maintenance or website management. That's all BS. So you've got a great website. Now you've got to keep doing those three things: social media, content creation, and Google reviews. And you should focus on running a successful business and delegate these 3 activities to someone else. And I recommend InterNACHI's official vendor for website designs and social media inspector, websitebuilder.com. You can find their services when you log into your InterNACHI membership dashboard. Inspector Website Builder, they do everything you need to do. They build great inspector websites with all that technical stuff, and they do the ongoing maintenance. Those 3 things: social media, content creation, and Google reviews. Are you going to update your Google business profile today? No. Are you going to post on all social media channels, create content, write blog posts, and all that? Really? You got time to do that? Google business profile updates. Your Google business profile right now should be your #1 priority when it comes to marketing. It ain't business cards. It involves publishing weekly posts and updates, uploading fresh inspection pictures, and responding to all your Google reviews and profile comments. And you should be adding new valuable information and educational content to your website blog. You should be writing new relevant blog posts to your website every month on topics that your clients care about. This builds your site's authority and provides fresh content for Google to index and AI search tools to find also. Actively encouraging every client to leave a Google review is your #1 priority too. A steady stream of new positive Google reviews, which are posted in your profile, is one of the most powerful signals for both local SEO and client trust. That's it. These specific, tangible actions are what truly maintain and boost your online presence. Don't worry about that scary stuff that SEO companies are trying to warn you about and pressure you about. Now, here's where most inspectors get stuck. Knowing what needs to be done, you know what needs to be done related to websites and SEO, right? Versus actually executing what needs to be done consistently while running a business. You need an expert build followed by disciplined ongoing maintenance. But who has time to become an SEO expert on top of everything else? This is precisely the problem Inspector Website Builder was created to solve. They don't just build websites, they build digital business engines for home inspectors. In relation to part 1, Inspector Website Builder are experts in the inspection industry. They handle every point I listed previously, from local targeting to all that essential technical stuff. And related to part 2, the ongoing maintenance, their affordable plan designed to execute the exact tasks required for ongoing maintenance success that you're not going to do. Their team handles everything. The monthly Google business profile posts, they write and post professional blog articles for you. They help you systematically generate more reviews. They create and post on all of your social media, and you own and control everything. The websites, the social media channels, everything. You can post your own stuff whenever you want, as little or as much as you like, and they'll provide the consistent, ongoing content maintenance that's required to keep your website ranking high. With Inspector Website Builder, you get both the initial build and the ongoing SEO maintenance from a single trusted partner. Don't worry about your website and SEO and online maintenance and social media posting and all that. For more information, just get to Inspector Website Builder, inspectorwebsitebuilder.com, because your next inspection client is already searching online. So make sure they find you first.